I've received a present from my cousins. Let's see what we have here. It's a jigsaw puzzle. This one so big. Oh, that's a book. A small book. Oh, this is not an instruction book. This is a book about solar systems. There's so many different facts. I can share it to you later. And it looks so cool and interesting. This is so hard. And it has 205 blocks in here. And try and do it by myself without help. I can't wait to open this up and get cracking. It's just like Legos. That is sorting out the colors. We are almost there. We have done the few parts and we'll connect it later. Okay? It's finally done. This is the solar system. I can name the solar system for you. The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And this is me driving the cool rocket. Bye. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe,